Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Neville Longbottom from Harry Potter. So let's get started. To draw cute Neville, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a big circle. And I'm going to come right across, say about this wide, and draw another circle. There. Now my two circles in, let's come back in here and make them draw so cute eyes with two small circles for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom. And shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. There. Now that my eye's in, let's come above each eye and we're going to anchor them with a curve. With Neville here, I'm going to try to just kind of give it a little bit more of a downward slope. So about right here, I'm going to draw a curve and bring down a curve right here for his little puppy dog eyes. Right there, and same thing over here. So just give it more of a downwards, trying to capture his look. Curve right here. There. And then at the bottom, we're just going to anchor it again with a soft curve at the bottom of each eye. Same thing here. There. Then from there, let's give him a sweet smile. So about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a curve that slightly goes upwards and then cap it off. Then from there, we're going to, let's see here. We can come up and draw this brow because his hair is kind of covering that side. So I'm not going to draw that side. So let's come up, say about right here. And I'm going to draw a soft arc right over his eye. And then we're going to thicken it up. And connect. And I'll just go ahead and shade it in black for now. Okay, so then from there, let's go ahead. We're going to draw a bottom of U for his face. So let's come back to where his eyes are. So let's say about right here, the top of his eye. I'm going to come out really close to this curve. Same thing right here. And we're going to start to draw a bottom of a U. So let's bring this down around his eye. Same thing here. And let's find our center. So just kind of imagine where you want this curve to go. So we're going to give him a longer chin, so let's say about right here. I'll give myself a point, and from there I'm going to go ahead and create my curve towards that point. So definitely turn your body or the paper if you need to draw this curve. So about right here, same thing, and connect there. Okay, so now that we have that in, let's kind of imagine this big curve, like this big oval for his head, right? So let's say about right here, his hair part's on the side. So I'll just give myself a point right here. I'm going to use this point as my guide, and I'm going to bring down a curve to here for the side of his face. And then from there, on this side, I'm going to part his hair. So right here, we're going to give him some bangs. And we're going to just draw this big curve towards his eye. About right there. And then we're just going to zigzag softly over his eye and then bring it out. And then let's see here. From here, let's go up. Let's continue this curve up just a little bit more. So say about right here. And we can go up on this side. Then we're going to bring it all the way down to about here. So keep coming down, and then we're just going to taper it in to about right there. Then on this side, I need to draw his ear first. So kind of like where his eyes are, I'm going to come about right here and just draw a curve and draw 2 curves inside for some detail. And then I can go ahead and pop this out a little bit and then bring it towards his ear. There. Almost complete, right? Then on this side, we're going to draw his other ear. So kind of like same thing where his eyes are. And come right about here and pop out a curve for the other ear. And I'll just draw a little curve right here for some detail. And let's give him some more. His hair is a little bit long, so about right here, we're just going to add some hair about here and just zigzag it in. There, so hopefully I've captured his look a little bit. Okay, so then from there, let's see here. Then I'm looking at my camera. You know what? I think I need to pop this out a little bit more. Feels like this side's a little bit lopsided, so I'm going to pop this out a little bit more. So definitely take a look, give the hair a little bit more volume. Okay, so then now that we're done with that, let's draw his body. So we're going to come to right here, his neck area. I'm going to come nice, and I'm just going to give a little angle first. We're going to draw his collar. So here and here, just 2 little angles. And then we can go ahead and draw his shoulders coming down. But before we finish the shoulders, let's use this angle right here. And we're going to come down towards the center, about right here. And we're going to connect. And let's see here. Then we're going to come back into this space. And then draw another wide V, and then using this as our guide with point, we're going to come down for his collar with 2 angles, and then we can draw the tie inside. So 2 angles and connect it, and then 2 more down. There. So hopefully it made that a little bit easier for you to follow. And then right here, we're just going to thicken this up for his sweater, just some detail. And connect. Then from there we can go ahead and we're going to start to bring this down in his shoulders. And from there, let's say about right here, kind of where it bends, I'm just going to start curving towards kind of like where his armpits would be. So right about here where it bends, and start curving it in. And then about right here where his armpits would be, we're just going to start to go down. Just go straight down. And widen it out a little bit if you like. And see about right here. I'm going to stop and I'm going to just go ahead and connect it with a curve. Then from there, we're going to come into the center about right here. Give myself a point and I'm going to draw a slight angle line. From there, we're going to start his legs right in the center. So I'm going to draw 2 angle lines out. Right there, and then let's come in and we're going to start to draw his legs right here, his hip area. So let's work on this side. I'm going to come down at an angle. And let's say about right there, I'll stop. And we're going to bring this part down. So it's slightly thinner as we come down. See about right there, and then go ahead and connect. So same thing on the other side. Right there, and connect. There. And then for his shoes, nice and simple. We're just going to come right here and draw a curve. Kind of a bit straighter and connect. So same thing here. Draw a curve coming out and round it off to connect. Okay, so then from there, let's go ahead. We're just going to draw a little line right here for some detail. You could probably add some pockets just to give it some detail, and maybe like a pleat right here, just lightly for his pants. And then let's go ahead and draw his arms. So let's work on this side. So like where his armpit area would be, about right here, we're just going to draw a slight curve, and we want his hands to end about right here. So let's bring this down, giving it a slight curve to about right there, and we're going to thicken it up. Just come down, and about right there, go ahead and connect. And on this hand, let's have him holding a wand. So if you want to do that, just come right here, and we're just going to draw a little thumb right here in this space, and then we're going to put in the wand right here, just kind of facing down, wobble a little bit, and then bring it back up. And then right here, just draw 2 angles to finish it up. There. So same thing on the other side. But right here, just give it a slight curve, bring it down, and thicken it up. And connect. And on this side, we're just going to have his hands kind of like in a fist. So just draw one curve and another curve, and then we're going to angle it, another angle, and then bring it in. And then right here, just add a little line. And let's see if we have any other details we need to draw. That's pretty much it, except of course, let's give Neville here a little heart, because I know you cuties love these hearts, right? On his sweater. And that is pretty much it for my drawing of Neville Longbottom. I really hope you think that this looks like him a little bit, and that I helped you draw him fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.